Hey up everybody, I'm at next part of my shaping videos, and it's my Adept No.2 powered shaper that I've recommissioned. So if you've not seen the previous parts, take a look back at them and you'll get the gist of what I've been doing here. So on this video, I've got some better tools ground up. I'm just going to see if I can take it beyond that 50 thou. I'm not expecting wonders because it's only a mini shaper this. But if I can get up to a 16th, you know, I'd be quite happy with that. So if you want to stick with me, then we'll just take some test cuts again and see if I can get up to a 16th or beyond. Just for you, Neil. Okay, then I've got some steel set up in vise. Got my tool set up. Got my stroke set. When I'm at milling machine, I normally put a round piece of round stock in movable jaw to make sure the workpiece is clamping properly. If it's tapered, I got this tip off Rusty Knox. He puts a bit of copper wire in his, so I thought I'd try that this time, and it works a treat. So thanks for that, Rusty Knox. If you've not seen Rusty Knox's channel, take a look at him. He does a lot of good videos using his shaper and gives a lot of good advice and tips out on shaping. Right, I've put 50 thou on. That's where I was up to the last time I did some test cutting. We'll just see how that performs now. Got my feed set at the slowest feed, 5/1000 of an inch per notch on the feed ratchet. Okay, then that's 60 thou that's 2 thou under a 16th, so we'll try that. That was 60 thousandths, so let's cut that okay, which is getting up towards 2mm. stopped it there on 2mm. I think it's reached its maximum there. It adequately coped with the 16th or 60th thou or 1.5mm, and I think it's okay with 70th thou, which is 1.75mm. But I didn't want to force it to do 2mm just for the sake of it and go and break anything. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a mini shaper, isn't it? And I'm over at moon that it can cut a 16th. I'm pleased with that anyway. So I think that's it for this video then, in this series. I'll play around with tooling and see if I can at some point get it to do a bit better than that. So if you found that interesting, give me a subscribe and a like, and I'll catch you on my next project then. So I'll sign off for now then. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.